we are going to cook fried noodles. We call it Pancit in Filipino. So these are the ingredients: cabbage, carrots, green beans, onions, garlic, minced pork, or if you want you can use sliced chicken or pork. And this is pimento or pimenta. This is a soy sauce. This is olive oil, and this is the noodles. And now you can see the ingredients below. Now we're going to start. We're going to pour a bit of olive oil, and we're going to wait until it will become warm. Good. And now we're going to put the garlic. And we're going to stir fry till it will become a bit brown. And we are going also to pour the onions and stir it. We are going again to pour the meat. Stir again. And now the meat is already ready. It's a bit brown, so we can put already the beans. We're going to stir it and cook a bit. Next, the beans is a bit cooked, so we can put already the carrots. And it again. The carrots is a bit cooked, and we are going to put again the sliced cabbage. So this is too much. And we are going to stir again. Now the vegetables are a bit cooked. We are going to set aside the vegetables. You can leave the excess liquid, and you can use it for the noodles. Black pepper, a bit of olive oil or vegetables oil, if that is what you're going to use it, and then soy sauce. That's it. And chicken cubes. When it is boiled, then you can put the noodles. Now we're going already to pour our noodles. Mixed vegetables. Then we are going to mix it again. Then I remove the rest of the liquid in here. Because I'm going to put the rest on the top of the noodles for a toppings. And mix it. Ay, sorry. Okay. And that's it, guys. It's already cooked, so we're going to put it already in the bowl. Now, guys, this is the finished product. It's the fried noodles. So we call it Pancit and Filipino. This is also a garlic bread, a pair for the noodles. Yum yum. Made by Angela. Yeah.